girls, welcome to the Will's YouTube. As of last video, I was talking about how I only had one more day of work left, and then I was free from that treacherous job. Well, as it turns out, I didn't have one more day of work. I had 0 more days of work, because I woke up Saturday morning and they were like, we don't need you. And I was like, oh, all right, cool. So I was officially free the day after I made that video, but unfortunately I fucking uploaded it to the wrong channel, so I had to take it down and then re-upload it the next day. So certain things have transpired since I uploaded that video. Not many things though, don't get too excited. So far, all that's really transpired, I guess, is that I'm done working, which is about what you expected as of the next video anyways. So here I am, free at last. Now, I'm wondering, should I stay jobless for a little bit? Or should I try and get a job as soon as I can? Because in terms of getting jobs, I have a few options. I can get a small, super part-time job, only 10 to 20 hours a week, and make a little bit of cash. Probably my least favorite option. 2, I can not work at all and just fucking see what it's like to live free, if you know what I mean. And then 3, I could work on getting this certification for like computers or something, and then see if I can get a good job with that, and if it's good enough I could even move out. But then I'd be looking at like probably 40 hours a week or so. So honestly, that 3rd option does sound pretty lucrative, because moving out would give me a lot of space and mental, I don't know, stability that I would need to do things that I want to do, but I would also be back to working 40 hours a week. Though it might be a better job, so I might enjoy it more. So that's my current dilemma. I'm thinking maybe I should take at least a couple weeks or a month off and just see how I feel about it. But my parents probably won't be happy with the option of taking time off, so I'm mentally encouraged to go get a job, but at the same time I'm pretty mentally against that, because I can sit around and play video games and enjoy it. Oh yes, and the other thing there is to talk about is my stream. My dad still hasn't called the fucking internet provider, big surprise, but he emailed them because apparently he's afraid to fucking talk to a salesperson because he's a fucking loser, I guess. And so he emailed them, and hopefully we get an email back and that shit gets sorted. I'm gonna check up with him tomorrow, and if he's not in it tomorrow, I'm really gonna try to be like, yo, daddy, I really, really, really want this internet really bad, okay? What can I do for you to call these people and get better internet? I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen, but fucking tomorrow is the deadline for me, you know? I don't have to work, so I can wait all day for whenever my dad gets home, and I can be like, Dad, get this internet shit together. This is not the most comfortable position I've ever been in. I think I might move. That was fun. That was fun. That was fun. That was fun, wasn't it? Alright guys, TBH, I think that's about all that there is to talk about today. And I'm just very excited, and I think you all should be very excited, and we should all be very excited together. But that's all, boys and girls. That's it, I'm done. You don't have to look at my dirty face until for another like 24 hours or however long it takes for me to get this video up. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I don't screw up this upload. And I will see you guys tomorrow.